How to create Google Meet links. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So let's show you how you will be able to easily create a Google Meet. So there are multiple ways for you to be able to get a link or create a Google Meet over here. So we're currently in Google Meet. So you're going to click on new meeting over here as you can see. And there should be three options for you to choose from. You could either create a meeting for later, start an instant meeting, or schedule in Google Calendar. Any of this option will provide you with a Google Meet link that would allow you to have video calls with people. It just depends on when it will start. So over here, create a meeting for later. If you select that, you will be able to provide already a Google Meet link over here. And then you could just send them to people or to other people. And when you're ready or when you guys want to start, you could just remind them and this is your permanent or like your reserved Google Meet link. Another one is if you click on start an instant meeting over here, which will automatically start a meeting, as you can see, with you as the host, of course. And then people could join through the link that you will provide. So let us give it a few moments here. As you can see, there will be this section over here where you could just simply add others through their email or give them the URL link over here. Aside from that, we could also use our calendar that we showed you earlier. So let me exit this, return to home screen. And you could also do the same thing with schedule in Google Calendar. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.